Wow, gumballs! Hi, Uncle Mike! How much?
No, I don't want money for Gumball.
Huh? How can I buy it then?
You can exchange them for fruit. Look.
Gumball? Fruit? Ah! I'll come back, Uncle Mike. Apple tree. Ooh.
Huh?
I got apples, look.
Cool. I love apples.
Here you go.
Thank you.
So can I get the gumball now?
Oh, of course. Here you go.
Huh? Uncle Mike?
Any problem, Jannie?
Can I get the orange one?
No, Jannie, because apple is red.
Huh? What do you mean, Uncle Mike?
If you want orange, get a fruit with the same color.
What fruit has the color orange? Ah! Orange tree! Let's pick some. It's too high.
Hold on.
What happened, Uncle DJ?
Kids shouldn't climb on that chair. You maybe fall in the pool.
Really?
Yeah, it's so dangerous.
But I really need oranges.
No worries, I can help you.
Really? Thank you.
Here you go.
Wow. Thank you, Uncle DJ.
You're welcome, but remember, never climb on the chair.
Okay, bye. Uncle Mike, Uncle Mike.
Huh?
I got oranges now. Here you go.
Good job, Jannie. Here you go, Jannie.
Thank you, Uncle Mike. Wow! Uncle Mike! How do I get the whole gumball machine?
Just get all kind of fruit for me.
Grandpa!
What happened, Jannie?
Can I get some fruit from your garden?
I don't think so, Jannie.
Huh? Why?
They haven't grown, Jannie. Look.
Huh? It's too small. It's not growing yet. Now what can I do?
Just use more water and they can grow.
Really, Grandma? Can I do it?
Yes, please. Good job, Jannie.
I finished, Grandpa. Now what do I do next?
Just wait a little bit, Jannie.
Okay.
Hey, Jannie, look.
Wow! Wow, they all grew. Grandpa!
Huh?
Can I get the fruits now?
Sure, Jannie.
Thank you. All done. Bye, Grandpa.
Bye.
Uncle Mike.
Huh?
I got giant fruits for you. Look.
Wow, a lot of fruit.
So can I get the gumball machine now?
Sure, this is for you.
Yay! Finally, I get the gumball machine, guys. Bye.